For more than 6 decades, uninterrupted cooperation in defense has served as the backbone of India's armed forces. This cooperation long ago moved beyond a traditional buyer-seller model to joint production and full technology sharing arrangements. Approximately 70% of India's military equipment is of Russian origin, a testament to its effectiveness as demonstrated by the Operation Sindoor. Our shared achievements, including the joint production of BrahMos supersonic and soon-to-be hypersonic cruise missiles, Su-30 MPI jets, T-90 main battle tanks, AK-203 rifles, and naval frigates in India will continue to expand. Building on this legacy, we can move confidently toward local production of the Su-57 fifth-generation fighter, supporting India's AMCA program. Discussions are also underway on drones, anti-drone systems, advanced radar, and other force multipliers. This cooperation is unique because it is rooted in battlefield experience that Russia willingly shares with its Indian partners. The same applies to our joint trilateral services military exercises Indra, the latest of which concluded yesterday in Rajasthan, as well as our participation in multilateral naval exercises such as Milan and SCO anti-terrorist drills peace mission.